Hello everyone and welcome to your partner in education, Agile Rank Mate. Today in this episode of The Future, we bring to you what could possibly be the next step in the evolution of cars, the KLEIN Vision AirCar. The KLEIN Vision AirCar is a two-seat flying car designed by Stefan KLEIN and made in Slovakia. Slovak designer Professor Stefan KLEIN began working on flying cars in the late 1980s. Having developed the AeroMobil, he left the company to develop a new idea as the AirCar and set up KLEIN Vision with colleague Anton Zajac. The AirCar project was launched in 2017 by KLEIN Vision, a Slovak company. AirCar came to fruition following more than 100,000 hours of work by a team of 8 specialists that turned drawings of its design into 3D models, which subsequently went through wind tunnel testing. A two-seater prototype came next, and it was powered by a 15-kilowatt engine. A spokesperson for KLEIN Vision says that this initial life-size version of AirCar was powered by remote control. The AirCar is one of the first vehicles to travel on land and in the air. After several years of study and research, it was time to present AirCar to the general public. AirCar was presented in November 2019 in China's Shanghai during the China International Import Expo, or CIIE. KLEIN Vision's founder, Stefan KLEIN, led the development team and was also the test pilot for the final model that converts from a vehicle to a small plane. AirCar certification opens the door for mass production of very efficient flying cars. It is official and the final confirmation of our ability to change mid-distance travel forever, he said. On the 24th of January 2022, the Slovakian company announced in a press release that its flying car had been certified. The country's Civil Aviation Authority has officially issued the AirCar concept with its certificate of airworthiness after it completed more than 200 takeoffs and landings, as well as 70 hours of test flights that meet the standards of the European Aviation Safety Agency. The challenging flight tests included the full range of flight and performance maneuvers and demonstrated an astonishing static and dynamic stability in the aircraft mode, the release said. The takeoff and landing procedures were achieved even without the pilot's need to touch the flight controls. The Slovak Transport Authority also weighed in. René Molnar, director of the Civil Aviation Division, said, AirCar combines top innovations with safety measures in line with EASA standards. It defines a new category of a sports car and a reliable aircraft. Its certification was both a challenging and fascinating task. The main fuselage of the AirCar doubles as a two-seat road car with 4 large road wheels. Styled like a sports coupe, it contributes 30 to 40% of the total lift when in the air. For flight, it is fitted with fold-out wings and extending tail booms carrying a high tail. A pusher propeller is permanently installed between the fuselage and tail, and a safety parachute is installed. Construction is primarily a semi-monocoque of carbon fiber composite over a steel subframe. Over 20 programmable servo motors are used to perform the transition between road and air configurations. When on the road, the retracted tail surface creates a downforce similar to conventional rear aerofoils. Power is provided by a 1.6-liter BMW road car engine running on automotive petrol or gasoline and delivering 104 kilowatts or 139 horsepower. The prototype AirCar is of comparable length to a Mercedes S-Class saloon at 5.2 meters or 17 foot and 1 inch, and around 2 centimeters or 1 inch narrower. Overall weight is 1,100 kilograms or 2,400 pounds. The second pre-production prototype is expected to have a monocoque fuselage with a more powerful 220-watt, 300 horsepower engine. The prototype takes off at around 120 kilometers per hour or 75 miles per hour after a run of 300 meters or 980 feet. Cruising speed in the air is set to be 170 kilometers per hour or 92 knots. Range is estimated as 1,000 kilometers or 620 miles at a height of 2,500 meters or 8,200 feet. The current version of the car can reach heights of 4,572 meters or 15,000 feet. It is said to take 2 minutes and 15 seconds to transform from car into aircraft. According to the BBC, KLEIN Vision is planning a test flight between Paris and London in the near future. AirCar is to be put on the market for commercial distribution within the next 12 months. There are many who believe flying cars will help unclog existing infrastructures in the long run by taking mass transport to a brand new level. In 2019, US financial services company Morgan Stanley estimated that the budding sector could be worth $1.5 trillion by 2040. With that much potentially at stake, a number of companies around the world are jockeying for a share of the market. The greatest challenge for such businesses is getting their vehicles certified for both air and road travel, a hurdle AirCar has just cleared. According to Branko Sar, Senior Technical Fellow at Boeing, AirCar is now the global frontrunner in the race. AirCar will be available commercially and globally for consumers to purchase within the next year. But KLEIN Vision's spokesperson says that only licensed pilots will be eligible to actually fly it. The asking price of the innovation will range between $550,000 to $1.1 million and will depend based on the features that the model has.